In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to enable and disable chat for voice in CS2. Be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. The first thing that you can do is to just hit tab, and if you click with anything, you'll be able to actually use the buttons. Now if you click this, it'll be able to disable all voice communications. Now something else you can do is if you have friends in your party and you want to hear them, is to actually open your developer console and use the command cl _mute, and then this one that says all but friends and party, and then you're just going to type ~0, and just like that, everyone else will be muted but your friends and your party. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.